Hello friends, hope you are all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. Today I'll be making famous Indian snacks, samosa. Though samosa is a very lengthy procedure to make at home, but if you have few ingredients at home, you can easily make it in very less time, and it taste obviously will be the same like restaurant. So today I'll prepare samosa with my own way with ready-made uncooked flour tortilla. I will show you the packet when I will show the other ingredients. This one is available in Costco. This is uncooked flour tortilla. With help of this tortilla, we can easily make samosa at home in very less time, and taste is obviously the same. So let's go to the kitchen and see how to make it. To prepare the samosa stuffing, we need half cauliflower. I cut it in small thin slice pieces like this. And we need some potato, that is also cut in thin slice pieces. And green peas, here I use some frozen green peas. You can use the fresh one also, so it enhances the taste. And we need some kasuri methi 3 spoon, chopped coriander 3 spoon, and 2 green chili to prepare the masala. And also we need some dry roasted peanut. So now we will prepare the outer part of the samosa with the help of uncooked flour tortilla. So this is my flour tortilla, and this is the packet, uncooked flour tortilla organic, and it's available in Costco. So with the help of this tortilla, we can make the outer part of the samosa very easily, very quickly, and the taste remains same as like restaurant. Now I put the frying pan in gas and put 3/4 spoon oil in it and prepare the masala part with all vegetables. So first I put whole cumin seeds in hot oil, and I will cut those 2 chilies in oil and put it in oil. Now fry this item, and now we'll add the cauliflower and potato, green peas all together. Now I add some turmeric powder in it, 2 tablespoons, and mix it well. And some salt according to taste. Now I put ginger paste 2 spoon, and cumin and coriander powder 2 spoon, and chili powder 1 spoon. Now mix all masala together, and now I'll put the lid and keep it cook for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, see the vegetables are half boiled. Now I'll put the chopped coriander on it and mix it well. If it's become very dry, you can put 3 to 4 spoon water on it, then it's become very soft. And now I'll put the lid again for 5 minutes. I'll check it again, and now I'll put the kasuri methi and roasted peanut on it, and now it's finally done. I'll keep aside, let it be cool, and then I'll prepare the samosa. So after 15 minutes, the samosa masala become cool. Now we'll prepare it. So take a tortilla and fold it like this, and cut it into 4 pieces. So we can make 4 samosa from 1 tortilla. So here is our 4 pieces. So hold it on your palm and put some water on this part and fold it like this, one top of another, and lock it properly from inside and outside. And now I will put the stuff in it. The masala, we'll put it inside it. Now I'll lock it. So again this part put in the middle, and now lock the both sides like this. Lock it properly, otherwise when you fry it in oil, deep oil, masala comes out. So roll it little bit, then it's locked properly. I'll do like this, so it never comes out. One samosa is ready. I'm preparing another one. Hold the tortilla piece on your palm like this. The round part is on outer side, and put some plain water on it like this. And now make the samosa shape. We'll put the one part on top of another and lock it properly from inside and outside. So it's locked properly, so when we deep fry the samosa, the inside part will never comes out. So now put the stuffing on it. And now lock it again, put some water, and now bring it to the joining middle part of here and join it together and lock the both sides again the same way nicely. I do some little roll like this so it can never open. So another samosa is ready here. So in this way I'll prepare all samosa and then I'll deep fry it. Now all my samosas are ready. I will fry it. So here I am deep frying the samosa. For that I put lot of oil in frying pan and fry it in medium heat and for a little longer time slowly. Don't put the oven very high, because for that the outer part become very black and that inner part will not cook properly. So fry the samosa in medium high and for a little longer time slowly. Then it's become very crunchy from outside and inside also cook properly and it will be very tasty. Samosas are ready, so you can enjoy it with your tea, coffee or as evening snacks. Hope you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.